Hello and welcome to the MP3 Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, provided by MP3 Academy, we're going to talk about why self-learning is the foundation of one's development and growth. I'm excited to guide you through how our platform can help you take charge of your own learning journey, develop essential soft skills, and build the foundation for lifelong growth. Self-learning is all about cultivating independence, adaptability, and the ability to evolve with the world around you. At MP3 Academy, we provide the tools and strategies to help you strengthen those skills, allowing you to grow both personally and professionally at your own pace. Let's dive in and explore how self-learning can unlock your potential and pave the way for sustained development and success. Self-learning is the foundation of one's development and growth, providing the essential skills and mindset needed to navigate an ever-changing world. At MP3 Academy, we empower individuals to take control of their own education by developing the tools and habits necessary for self-development. Unlike traditional education, self-learning fosters independence, curiosity, and adaptability, allowing you to explore areas of personal interest at your own pace. This flexibility helps you stay relevant in a fast-paced environment where lifelong learning is key to continuous growth. For our complete list of MP3 Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support MP3 Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, MP3 Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. The journey of self-learning begins with mastering basic soft skills. Before children even attend school, they learn to listen, speak, focus, and organize their thoughts, skills that are vital to self-development throughout life. These foundational skills are the building blocks for all future learning, and at MP3 Academy, we help you continue to refine these abilities as an adult. Whether it's through improving your communication, organization, or problem-solving abilities, developing these soft skills is crucial for self-growth and success in both personal and professional settings. Self-learning also promotes the concept of being, doing, and having. In this framework, you must first cultivate the right mindset and skills before you can take action toward your goals, and ultimately achieve the success you desire. At MP3 Academy, we focus on helping you develop the mindset needed for growth. This includes fostering self-discipline, resilience, and a growth mindset, all of which prepare you to take meaningful action. Without developing the foundation of being, it becomes difficult to succeed in the doing and having stages. Listening and speaking are among the most basic, yet powerful, soft skills that support self-learning. These skills enable you to absorb new information and communicate effectively with others, both of which are essential for personal growth. At MP3 Academy, we help you strengthen your listening skills to become a more active learner, and your speaking skills to articulate your thoughts clearly and confidently. These abilities allow you to not only learn from others, but also share your knowledge, making you a more effective participant in both personal and professional environments. Focusing is another essential soft skill that supports self-development. In today's world of constant distractions, the ability to focus is more valuable than ever. At MP3 Academy, we teach you strategies to improve your focus and concentration, enabling you to absorb new information more effectively and make better decisions. By honing the skill, you can navigate the overwhelming amount of information available and zero in on the knowledge that is most relevant to your goals. Organizing is a skill that extends beyond managing physical tasks. It involves structuring your thoughts, time, and resources in a way that maximizes efficiency. At MP3 Academy, we emphasize the importance of organization in both your learning process and personal growth journey. Through self-learning, you can develop the ability to prioritize tasks, manage time, and structure your goals in a way that leads to sustained success. Organizing your approach to learning makes it easier to take consistent action and measure your progress over time. Self-learning also encourages adaptability, an essential trait for long-term self-growth. The ability to adapt to new information, changing environments, and unexpected challenges is critical for staying relevant in today's fast-paced world. At MP3 Academy, we guide you through the process of becoming a flexible learner, able to pivot when necessary and adjust your goals to meet new demands. This adaptability not only enhances your learning journey, but also prepares you for the challenges that come with continuous development. The importance of lifelong learning cannot be overstated. Self-learning is not a one-time process, but a lifelong commitment to personal and professional growth. At MP3 Academy, we encourage you to see learning as an ongoing journey that evolves with you. As the world changes, so must your knowledge and skills, and self-learning allows you to stay ahead of the curve. By continuously developing your soft skills and embracing new learning opportunities, you ensure that you remain relevant and capable in any field. In addition to fostering personal growth, self-learning strengthens self-confidence. As you acquire new knowledge and skills, you build a sense of competence and control over your own development. At MP3 Academy, we help you set achievable learning goals and celebrate your progress along the way. Each milestone reached boosts your confidence, reinforcing your belief in your ability to learn and grow independently. This growing confidence not only impacts your learning journey, but also translates into other areas of your life, enhancing your overall sense of accomplishment. In conclusion, self-learning is the cornerstone of self-development and growth. By mastering essential soft skills such as listening, speaking, focusing, and organizing, you create a foundation that supports lifelong learning. At MP3 Academy, we provide the guidance and resources you need to continually develop these skills and apply them to your personal and professional life. By embracing self-learning, you take control of your education, cultivate the mindset needed for success, and empower yourself to achieve your goals.